Hey, it's Maddie from Turbot. So, the built-in query editor in Turbot Pipes provides the fastest way to answer questions about your cloud environments. It's powered by SteamPipe under the hood, and it gives an accessible experience where teams can explore cloud data interactively in the console, leverage shared connections, schedule recurring checks, and lots more. In this latest update to Pipes, we transform the query experience. There's enhanced schema navigation, integrated documentation, and access to thousands of query examples. This makes it a lot easier to find and run the right queries, and it helps you get answers faster with less effort. So let's dive right in and see what's new. So the first thing you're going to notice is this new Query Explorer tab. And this has got your query history and thousands of pre-built examples from the documentation, which makes it easier than ever to find and run queries. First of all, I've got this history section here, which is going to show me recent queries that I've run all in one place. And all I have to do is click on one, see the query, see the results. I can also search through previous queries and be able to run the results as well. This makes it easier to build on our previous things that we've done, and we have continuity. We don't have to remember how we've done our queries in the past. Also here we have all these ready-to-use query examples based upon the connections that I have set up in Pipes. So I can browse through all of these. I can take a look for all the various types of great examples that I might want to be able to run. Same thing, this gives me example queries, and this is a really great starting point, and then we can modify them to use our specific needs, which makes it a lot faster. We've also redesigned the Schema Explorer, which makes it a lot easier to navigate and understand all of our connections. For example, if you have lots of different connections in your organization, you can hide or show the different aggregated connections, which makes it a lot easier to keep those lists manageable if you have large environments. The Schema Explorer also integrates documentation directly from the SteamPipe hub. So if we take a look at one of our tables and we hover over that, we can see related query examples, which gives us great context that we might want to look for. We also now can expand all of our tables to see what their columns and descriptions are, which gives us detailed information about the purpose of each column, its data type, and its usage. So we've got this documentation integrated directly into the interface, and that makes a query experience just way more intuitive. It's all in one place, and this way you're not switching back and forth between being in Pipes and going to external documentation. Now that's great that we can browse through all of these, but there's lots and lots of tables, lots and lots of columns, so being able to find the connections or schemas that we're looking for is made a lot easier with the new search functionality. So we can filter connections and schemas to locate what we need. We can search for specific columns across all of the connections. So for example, if I just want to look and find anything related to buckets, I can find all of these things connected to, we have bucket owners, S3 bucket name, etc. This makes it a lot easier and reduces the time we have to spend navigating through large schema hierarchies. One more thing that we've also added to the Pipes experience is this new Developers tab, which is really helpful for figuring out how you're going to connect to Pipes. So if you want to connect with any Postgres compatible client, this will give you all the information on how to set up that connection. It'll also go ahead and tell you what you need to run in the SteamPipe CLI to connect to that workspace, or directly through the Postgres CLI, making all of this so much easier. Thanks for watching and learning about all the cool new stuff in the query experience in Turbot Pipes. If your organization could benefit from Turbot Pipes, you can get started today with a free developer account at turbot.com/pipes. Check out the video description for links and details.